Oh, is this the evidence?
No, I do a movie of him every year. Usually when the tree falls, he's right there. But yeah, well, so we have movies every year of him doing this with you guys.
I like it. That way. It's not safe in there, guys. We can pass on the tradition to him.
Oh yeah, well yeah, he's going to live here later on.
Alright, so we want to go in there before you fall.
Mr. Poos, you got another one coming in. You got to climb out.
Wait.
What do you think, Robbie? Did they do a good job?
Are we going?
Average job?
Yo, just wait for it. Yo, just shove it in. Shove it in. Why is this thing so big? That has like containers. What's up, bro? Watch out.
He knows we're trickers, huh?
Come down, Nick. We're not safe there. Hey. You guys had a saw. Wow. There we go. 2 trees and 1 U-Haul. We killed it. All right. You said get down. Oh yeah, you're still missing. All right, get in there, guys. Yo, Padilla, what is this? Pile on in. Robbie, we're all piling in, so. See you next year. See you next year, man. See you, Robbie. Oh, what I thought you? Oh, you worked today, Robbie. Robbie, how old are you? Robbie, how old are you? Robbie, how old are you?
You're 4. You were 3. Now you're 4.
All right. Nibs, into the U-Haul.
They're all climbing in, Mr. Poos. You can't go with them. Mommy wants you back.
Oh, he's gonna go hang out inside. Back to that. We'll bring him back. We'll bring him back a little bit later. Give him a couple beers.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Bring him back.
He has a sorority girl.
Should give Robbie this to play with. All right.
His mom's got one of those.
We gotta go.
Come on, Mr. Poos. They're leaving. We gotta go. We gotta go up with Mommy.
One up down. You gonna take the pad?
All right, we gotta bring up. You gonna tell him bye bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye. Yeah.
Next time you could come and have dinner sometime.
Yeah.